All right, guys, out here at San Jose Island, throwing some live shrimp with a split shot, seeing if we can't get a fish. Well, my first fish, I didn't even realize he was on. I was just reeling it in real quick, and all of a sudden there was something at the end of the line, and I got myself a little flat boy. Nice little flounder. Unfortunately, he's not keeper size, so I'm gonna have to throw him back. There we go. Ah, little teeth got me. All right, first fish, flounder. Now let's see if we can catch a keeper size. Something's feeding out there. They're hitting all inside this little pocket right here. That's the first one that I've caught. I don't know if they're all flounder. There was something out there. I'm gonna get back in there, see if I can't catch another one. Hopefully we can get this one on film. And guys, fish on. Let's see what we got. All right. Oh, sheep's head this time. Second fish, it's a sheep's head. Looks like it's gonna be undersized though. I don't think this guy's going 15 inches. We'll go and put him over here. Oh, freak out. There we go. Look at that. Not even close. Oh, all right. All right, all right, all right. All right, you're not going inside. You're just going on top. Right. Oh, on my shoe. There we go. Fish number two, another undersized fish, unfortunately. I still see him hitting out there in the water, so I'm still gonna fish this spot until I figure out what that is out there. But fish number two, undersized sheep's head. Back out he goes. Let's see if we can get on another fish. Come on, guys. Oh, look at this. This looks like a keeper. This looks like a keeper flatty. Oh, look at this guy. Found another one on the bottom. Oh, I think you're going in the ice chest, my friend. Yeah, 15, yeah, 15 and a half. 16 to the point. Yep. All right, guys. Flatty number two. First keeper of the day. There's a bunch of little tiny bait fish getting eaten right now, right in front of me, and it's been hard to try to figure out what they're biting on. I've gotten a few bites on just free lining shrimp, but those were few and far between, and I put a split shot back on right now to see if that would work, and I sure enough got another flatty, so another flounder. So we're gonna leave that on for a second, rig this guy up, see if we can't do it another time. All right, let's get back out there, guys. Guys, we got another fish on. Did I get another flounder? I did get another good flounder, guys. That's two good flounder today. Man, to me, the flounder are like the hardest to catch of the inshore species, I think. So if I happen to catch a red and a speckled trout, I might get an inshore slam today. And that would be my first ever, and that would be pretty dang cool. All right, okay. Oh yeah, he's big enough. All right, guys. Flounder number 2 out here is San Jose Island. This one's 16 inches, a little bit bigger than the other one. The other one's 15 and a half. Bam, look at that, 2 flatty boys on ice. It's just me. Oh, it looks like we might have some more company coming out finally. It was just me for a long time in this other group out here, but it looks like more people are starting to join us. Let's get another shrimp back on there, throw it back out there, drag it close to this wall and see if we can't find another one. Another one on. Oh, a doormat, guys. A doormat. Look at this one. Look at this guy. Oh, yes. Whoa. Guys, that is a doormat. Wow. Okay, whoa. That is the biggest flounder I've caught ever. Ooh, ooh. That is an absolute doormat. What's the regs on these guys? Minimum 15, 5 per day. One freaking doormat of a flounder. I am, oh yeah, buddy. Wow. Jesus. All right, I don't want it to clamp down on me. Guys, this is easily an 18 incher. More than that, I think. Let's get an official measurement for him. Guys, doormat, over 20. Over 20. 20 and a half inches. Doormat of a flounder. Oh, get one more picture of him before he goes in the ice chest. That is a monster. Right now, guys, I got a good one right now. Is it another flap? Nope, it's not another flappy boy, or flat boy, I should say. It's a sheep's head this time. This one's gonna be undersized though. This won't be. Whoop, self-release. Nope, that's not where we're going. We just came over here to get you off the hook. Dang it. Making it difficult on me, buddy. All right. All right, undersized sheeper, not a keeper. Let's see if we can find another one. I'd like to add a sheep's head or two to the ice chest today, so let's get back out there, guys, see if we can get on another fish. And again, we're just rocking simple split shot to a size 1 octopus hook. That's it, keeping it simple today. All right, let's go with a big shrimp. Big shrimp caught us big flounder so far. Whoop. Yeah, I've got a few so far. Not sheep's head, unfortunately. That one was a throwback, but I have found some flounder out here. We got a nice little doormat.
Whoa! Have you ever?
Yeah.
A live shrimp?
Yep, live shrimp and a split shot.
Yeah. And that way the shrimp can do his thing. He gets caught and he's in the box.
Yep.
You've done good.
Thank you. Oh, shoot. I thought that was a fish for show. Oh, bro. This guy was so close up, I didn't even get a chance to really film it. Another doormat, guys. Look at this guy. Oh, that's a doormat. We can't lose this guy. Oh, yes, guys. Oh. He's just barely hooked. All right. Look at that, guys. Another doormat of a flounder. That's number 4. I only get one more of these and I gotta stop fishing the bottom. Ooh. Man. This is one flappy fish. I've been slapped enough times by that guy today, I can tell you that. All right, look at that, barely even got that guy in the lip. Slab. Whoop. Ugh. There we go. And they're right up against the wall. Look at that 4. Let's take a look real quick, guys. Let's take a look at this. 2 doormats and 2 decent sized flounder. Oops, on top of the food. We gotta eat this. All right, let's eat some food real quick and then get back out there. Got another one. I got another one. I know it's a, oh my, how am I getting so many big flounder today? That is amazing. Another flat boy. Look at that. I got him dialed in right now. Oof, you almost got me with the hook. That's number 5 though, guys. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Not as big as the other ones. Still a slab, over 16. It's got to be close to 18 inches. Got some sort of parasite on the outside of it. You see that? What is that? Some sort of lice or something? I don't know. Crazy. Got a whole bucket of flatted boys. Yeah. Go crazy. Guys, I got the biggest one so far. This is a good sized fish. I have no idea what this is. This is the biggest fish so far today. Oh, I hope this isn't a stingray. I hope this isn't a stingray. I hope this isn't a stingray. Oh, it's not a stingray, guys. Shoot, I don't have my net on this side. Oh, guys, this is a good one. A good drum. All right, guys, we got a second species today. We were loading up on the flounder. In fact, I got a limit of flounder, and so I moved spots because I wanted to see if I could get some of these drum or a speckled trout. And the drum was the first one to hit. All right. I really need a net for this guy. That's a good sized drum. Oh, there we go. All right. Living up to his name. This guy's gonna go 20 something inches. 2 species. Look at that, guys. Easy 20. Easy 20. Take a good look at him before I throw him in the ice chest. He's gonna become next week's meal. There we go, got some drumming going on. Put him in. Let's take our net and put that over here. And what else do we think we're gonna need right now? What do we need right now? Nothing else. You know what? Let's try putting some stuff on the bottom. Do a little passive fishing while we do a little, oh no, active fishing. All right, let's see if we can get on some more, on another species. Let's see if we can go find us a speckled trout, maybe even a red. Oh Lord, this got jacked up. Well, that happened so quick I didn't even have a chance to record it. But third species of the day, Spanish mackerel. I've been watching these guys blow up in the surf all day. Ooh. Now I wasn't sure what they were. I had a feeling they were Spanish. Oh, let's see. Oh shit. Oh, he's gone. Okay, well, there goes the Spanish mackerel. 14-inch minimum, no limit, daily bag of 15. All right, well, that one was kind of close. I don't know if he would have gone 15, but he was, or 14. Maybe. He was very close to that. They're blowing up in the water out there. Let's see if we can get another one. Guys, we are fish on again. We haven't been fish on in a little while. Let's see what we, oh, it's another Spanish mackerel. This time it was on a piece of dead shrimp. I'm surprised. But this looks like a keeper. All right, species number 3. Oh shit, there's a boat there. Yeah, he'll go 14. He's 15. Perfect. Number 3, look at that. Look at that, guys. Drum, flounder, Spanish mackerel, gummy bears. Bang. The necessities in life. Whoop, missed this one. I was busy trying to get another, I was busy trying to get another pole out, which just got hit. And this one got hit. And this is our fourth species, whiting. I don't think I'm gonna keep this guy though. All right, buddy, there you go. Back out you go, bud. Oh, we got a drag burner. Guys, we got a drag burner. Oh, right. Oh, we got something big, guys. We got a good one. What did we get this time, guys? Another drum? A big drum, maybe? Ooh. Oh no! Oh. Oh, guys. That was the biggest fish of the day. Something just nailed me. Holy sh! It is rip and drag. I gotta get this other line out the water. All right. All right. What is this? What is this that is rip and drag on me? All right. Could this be some sort of redemption for that lost one? Please don't be a... Please don't be... That can't be a stingray. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so, guys. I hope not. Not running like that. Oh. What was that? What the... Did I just see what I thought I saw? Did I just see what I thought I saw? Which was a turtle? What the heck was that? Bro, this thing is... It's down. This is a stingray. Wow, he really ripped drag too. This is a big ray, and I think, and I don't want to deal with this. This is a big fish though. Oh, there he goes again. Man, this is a big fish, guys. Oh, that's gotta be a ray. Staying on the bottom like that. Jesus. How big of a ray is this? Whoop. Let's not get into the slick part. This has got to be a ray. Staying on the bottom like this. Oh, he is stuck on the bottom. Let's go, boy. Come on. Oh, this is not what I wanted to deal with. Oh, wow. This is a freaking monster ray, though. It's got to be. Oh, there he goes. He's up. Oh my God, I can't even barely move this guy. Oh, it is definitely a ray and not a rock though. Oh, there you go, see? Yep. This is gonna be a monster Atlantic rig. Watch this. Oh man. No. No. it's huge. It's freaking huge. Oh my God. Oh. That's a big ray. God damn it. Oh, there we go. Okay. I really didn't want to deal with that. Okay, well, I didn't want to deal with it, so now I don't have to deal with it, but I lost my rig. That was a monster ray. I was not about to have to try to land that thing, unhook it and all that. That was best case, worst case scenario all in one. At least we saw it. That's all I really wanted, was just to see it first. I had two on at one time and I was trying to fight them both, but I didn't have my camera on. But now we got one on the double drop rig. Not sure what it is. It came up for a second right now. I hope it's not another stingray, to be honest. Oh, what is that? What is that? No, it's a pump. It is a good pump, guys. Yes, yes. Oh, it's a good pump. Oh yeah. Slab pump on the dead shrimp. And he managed to flick off all the rest of my shrimp too. Oh, all right, guy. You are all jacked up. Guys, all right, look at that. Look at that pump, guys. We're doing good today. That adds another species to the ice chest. Look at that. Black drum, flounder, Spanish mackerel, now a pompano. Let's get back out there before this jetty boat comes, see if we can't get us another one. Another fish on the big pole, and it looks like it's another pump, guys. I think I just saw it right now, surface to the top, and I think I got another pump. Oh yeah, look at that, here he comes. Here he comes, numero dos. Another pompano to add to the stack. Hey bud, I'd appreciate it if you chill out for just a second. Just a moment. Oh, come on. Come on. I'd super appreciate it if you didn't knock this other shrimp off. Man, you guys. There goes that shrimp. Ow. All right. This guy's a pain in my ass, but here we go. Pump number 2. Bam! Look at that. Nothing but slabs, boy. We're gonna be eating good. Man, I'm stuck now. The pumps are thick now, huh? No, he's not on there. Oh. Wait, is he coming this way? Yes, he is coming this way. Another pompano, number 3, guys. We're stacking them right now. We are stacking them right now. As soon as it touches the water, they just nail it. Guys, they are hitting out here, and I am not joking. This is number 4 in 10 minutes or so. We are killing them. We are killing them before it's time to go. Oh, this is a good one. Oh yeah. All right, guys. My battery kept cutting out. I forgot to change it, so now we got a brand new one in. Let's take a look at this. Look at that. Look at that chest. 4 pomp, 5 flounder, a black drum, a Spanish Mac. That is a stacked chest, you guys. Who's coming over for the fish fry? I think I'm already on again. Every cast has been a Mac. I mean, a pomp. Oh, there we go. Yep, there it is. Again, crazy, guys. Crazy day at the beach. Just slabs pompano after slab pompano. This is fantastic. Oh yeah. He just poked himself again. In the chest you go, son. Windy. We're gonna go check it out real quick. So I gave these guys a couple of drop down double drop rigs, and he used it and caught 2 pompano at one time. What a great catch. There you go, nice.
On your rig.
That's great.
No, brother. Thank you, dude. This is awesome. I couldn't believe it. That thing went down big time. I said, like, oh man, I thought it was my redfish. I think I just got caught in another line though.
Oh man, but that's awesome. 2 at one time.
No, it's not mine. This one. Oh, that one. Okay.
There you go. Now you guys got something to take home.
To you.
Man, how awesome is that? I gave him a couple of double drop rigs, and he caught 2 pompano at one time off of it. They had no double drop rigs with them, and I was catching back-to-back pompano over here, so I figured I'd give him a hand, and he made the best of it. It's in, and then I had a bite on one, and then I got a bite on this one. What do I got? Oh, had to come ruin the party. Bunch of good fish, and now a hardy boy. That is in there too. Looks like the guys I gave the double drop rig to got on another set. Killing it over there with my rigs. That's awesome. I've never had anybody else use my stuff. I just make it for myself. Something just snagged me. What do we got here, guys? What have we got here? What have we got here? A drum? A black drum. A good sized black drum too. Guys, like, yo, what has he got over there? Oh, all right, we got our net. Did he get himself a monster ray like I did? Come on, buddy. I saw this guy come up and snatch it. Oh, I almost lost that. Ugh. There we go. Had to give it a little stretch, but that's a keeper black drum. Okay. The ice chest is getting a little ridiculous now. I think I'm gonna need some help eating all this fish. Oh, there we go, drumming. Little drummer boy. Doot, doot. And that will absolutely keep, no questions asked. Look at that guy. Doot, 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 doot. I think I got a bite. I think I got a bite, guys. I do have a bite. Double. 2 fish on. This is insane fishing right now. Oh my God. I think this is another pump. It's 2. I doubled up now. Now I got the double pumps. Yeah. Oh, it's not a double pump. It's a pump and a big hardy boy. That is a sizable hardy boy. All right. Wow, today has been the best day of saltwater fishing of my life. We've got another pompano to add to the chest. Look at that. And then this monster hardy boy, who swallowed the hook, of course. Gonna make it difficult on me. Open up. Open up. Shut open up. There we go. And that's a sizable hardy boy. All right, guys. I'm not even sure where we're at. I think we're at like 6 pompano now. Yeah, this is just getting to be ridiculous. I've got to go get more ice for the trip home. I actually have to make the jetty boat. I missed the jetty boat. I forgot to tell you guys that part of it. So I was supposed to leave here at 4, but the fishing was on fire. So I kept on going without thinking about it and missed my 4 o'clock boat, which only leaves the 5:30. And after that, I'm stuck on this island for the night. So because I did not plan to be stuck on this island for the night, we cannot allow that to happen. But we also cannot allow these fish to keep on swimming with 0 repercussions. So let's get our bait back out in the water. Some nice dead shrimp on these rusty hooks, because guess what, they still catch fish even if they're rusty. All right, Timmy and Timmy's friend. Ah, please don't. So that was actually a triple up, huh? Because it was a double up and a single. So we had a triple up right there, guys. Let's see if we can get rid of all this shrimp before it's time to go. Okay, as soon as I said stop recording, a freaking fish just nailed it. Holy cow. This fishing is just incredible today. If I could get a redfish, I would be so stoked. Ooh, that's an angry pump. That is an angry pump. Like I said, this has been the best fishing day of my life. Holy moly. The fish have just gone crazy today. I mean, I couldn't even get my GoPro turned off before I had another bite on that hook, on that rig, pull, whatever you want to call it. Chill, guy. I can't get it out when you, there we go. You know what you're doing. That's just ridiculous. That is just ridiculous, guys. Oh man. You know what just hit me all at once? I'm the only one responsible for cleaning all this stuff too. Oh Lord, I'm gonna have a work cut out for me. Guys, fish on, real close to the shore. Not much of a fight to be seen. Got ourselves a sheep's head. I don't think this is gonna go 15. We're gonna measure it though, just in case. Don't tell me that at the same time I'm getting a bite over here, I'm getting a bite on my other pole again. That'd be awesome. Yeah, this guy's not gonna go 15, but let's get him over here on the ice chest. Come on. There we go. Slid right out. Nah. 16. Nah, he's like 14. He's little. I don't know why I'm still trying to measure. He's little, and I really don't want to take any more fish home to be honest. I've got so much cleaning to do as it is. And I don't feel like dealing with sheep's head poop. Guys, we're just wrapping up an excellent day of fishing out here at San Jose Island. I couldn't be any more proud. I absolutely killed it today. Look at this spread. Look at this spread. 2 black drum, 7 pompano, 5 flounder, and a Spanish mac. All in the ice chest, all going home with me today. 2 of those flounder, one of those flounder was at 20 and a half, one of them was about 20. Solid fish, solid fish. One of the best days of fishing I've ever had. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.